Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518PRO to program 2016 Jaguar XJ Smart key.
We need to prepare K518PRO, OBD communication cable, and 2 smart keys to be programmed. Plug in OBD communication cable. Select immo and remote. Jaguar. Select from vehicle. XF. Choose after 2013. Program smart key. All the smart key lost. Please turn on hazard warning lights. Click OK when done. Tips to prepare at least 2 smart keys. OK. Ignition switch is off. Click OK. The VEN number has been recognized. OK. 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 Number of programmed keys in the car. 0. OK. Start programming new smart keys now. Click OK. Hold the first smart key to be programmed in your hand. OK. Follow the prompts to complete the operation within 5 seconds. Number of keys programmed 1. Does it program the next one? OK. Hold the second smart key to be programmed in your hand. OK. Follow the prompts. Number of keys programmed 2. OK. No need to program the next one. Click cancel. Programmed complete. OK. Now let's see if the key works. The first key, step on the brake and press the start button. The first key is successfully started. Second key, step on the brake and press the start button. The second key is successfully started.
We have programmed the smart key for 2016 Jaguar XF. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead.